What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello. If you are new, hi, my name is Kayla and I would really love it if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also no pressure, your own choice if you want to or not, but I would really appreciate it if you do. But anyways, going on into this video, in today's video, I'm actually super excited to be doing this video for you guys because I am going to be doing yet again another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So if you guys are new to my channel, I actually did a previous Louis Vuitton unboxing, which go click that right here if you guys want to go see that, because it's currently doing pretty good with the views right now, so give myself a pat on the back. But today's video, I'm actually going to be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing because I got yet another Louis Vuitton item. Well, this one was actually a gift for me, but my Louis Vuitton collection is growing quite fast. So anyways, if you guys are interested, you guys have already seen by the title what it is, but if you guys are interested in seeing it, then definitely keep on watching. Getting on into the review or the unboxing. So this is my little box, my little Louis Vuitton box right here. I actually did open this a little bit ago, so it's actually not like my first impressions unboxing, but like it's pretty new to me. I'm just unboxing it on camera so that I'm sharing it with you guys, so hopefully you guys don't mind that I opened it before. But on top of it just came with like this little thing. I think I took a picture of what it looked like when I first got it, so I'll like insert a picture if I can find it on my camera roll of what it looked like all wrapped up and stuff. But it was basically in like this little cute bow, and then what you have here is you have the little box and then you just slide it open right down here. Oh my god. Okay, so my bracelet just dropped on the floor, but it's okay, it's fine, everything's cool. It was in its little dust bag, but anyways, it comes in this little dust bag right here. It just says Louis Vuitton, and then once you open up the dust bag, you have the bracelet right here. And this is the bracelet that I got. I'll do like a little close-up so that you guys can see it. So this is what it looks like. It just has the Louis Vuitton canvas all over, and then it's like there's like a little clasp here, so you kind of just like open it like this, and then it looks like that. And then right in here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Louis Vuitton made in Spain. To be honest, I thought Louis Vuitton made their stuff in France, so I was like a really bit confused about that. I swear I thought Louis Vuitton was made in Europe. I never knew that. And also, if you can see right here as well, my camera's not the greatest, but it literally just says Louis Vuitton right here, and then it just kind of like twists and then claps on like that. So I'll show you guys what it looks like on my arm. Not gonna lie, it does take me a little while to put it on my arm.
One eternity later.
So okay, so literally after like I swear 10 minutes, I finally got it on my arm. But this is basically what it looks like on the arm. As you guys can see, it's very tight, and that's because I actually got the wrong size. So I'm planning on exchanging it, if not tomorrow, then a few days after. But it is a little bit small. I need to buy the size up from it. Like it does fit, but like it's very tight. I got this one in a size 17. They also offer a size 19, so I guess if your wrists look anything like mine and you want to get this bracelet, if that helps, then like size up. I don't really know, I'm not the biggest expertise on this, but this is basically what it looks like. One critique that I will have to say though is I don't know if it's just me and like I'm just me and I just don't know how to do it, but taking it off is like really hard to do like yourself. I kind of like am regretting that I put this on my arm because it's gonna take me a really long time to take it off, because you kind of have to like unzip it and then twist it and then turn it to take it off. I don't know, it's pretty confusing. I don't really know how to explain it. I'm wondering if because I bought it in a smaller size, that's the reason why it takes a long time. I'm not too sure yet. I'm planning on going into the Louis Vuitton store and talking to the lady and seeing how that works, because maybe she might help me take it off and put it on, because maybe it's just like me and I just don't know how to do anything, and like, I just don't deserve fancy things. But yeah, this is what the bracelet looks like. Just a little bit of like a tiny unboxing for you guys. I'll definitely add the link to like the Louis Vuitton website of like this exact bracelet if you guys want to look at like the dimensions and like see like all of like the like extra stuff that I'm probably not going to talk about in this video because I'm just not like really that technical. So if you want to see like all of that, like the technical stuff about the bracelet, like the dimensions and like all of that stuff about it, I'll definitely leave a link to like the Louis Vuitton website in the description box, so definitely go check that out. But yeah, I just really wanted to do an unboxing, that's it, just to kind of just show you the bracelet. Nothing big, nothing crazy. Oh my gosh, also I just wanted to share with you guys one thing that I really wanted to like put into this video, but I wanted to like really quickly share one thing, is that if you guys are looking into like buying jewelry from Louis Vuitton, then just keep in mind that like their jewelry isn't actual real gold. Like I got this knowing that it wasn't like real gold. So for a lot of people, I know one of my friends bought a Louis Vuitton bracelet and it started tarnishing. She ended up paying like $600 for like 2 bracelets, and like she thought it was a really great deal. She thought that like she was like buying these bracelets and that they were real gold, but then they ended up tarnishing, which I feel like a lot of people might look at like Cartier. I don't know how you say that, like that word. Somebody please let me know. But like if you look at like Cartier's like gold ring prices and then you see like a Louis Vuitton ring for like less than half of that, you're like, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna go buy this Louis Vuitton ring because it's literally like still expensive. It's still like $500 for a ring, but compared to like $3,000 for a ring, much more affordable. So just keep that in mind, that they do have a fashion jewelry line and a fine jewelry line. So if you see something at Louis Vuitton, any of the jewelry items under $1,000, you're probably buying fashion jewelry, and that stuff's like the same stuff that you're gonna buy at Claire's, just literally says Louis Vuitton on it, and it's also a much higher price tag. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, that is basically all for this video. I don't really know what more to say. It was just a little mini unboxing of this bracelet. I do need to go and exchange it tomorrow for a different size. Maybe I'll put in a clip of like what it looks like. Not gonna look any different or anything, so maybe not. But anyways, that is it for today's video, you guys. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also like put in the description box any type, or not the description, is it the description box? No, the comment section, any type of videos that you want to see from me. I'm kind of like struggling. I don't really know what to do. It's kind of hard because I'm such a small channel, so like my audience doesn't really engage with me, so I don't know what videos to put out there. But if you want to see something, let me know and I can do it, because I'm hella bored at home. I got nothing to do. But anyways, I talk too much, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.